Welcome to our YouTube channel, Canary Care Corner. Our team is committed to delivering valuable information about canaries to you. Today we would like to discuss the new breed Slavujar canary or Slavujar nightingale song-type canary. Slavujar was proclaimed a newly recognized comp/OMJ exhibition class of song-type canary from year 2021. I congratulate breeders on success of respected breeders of this breed with a unique and specific bird song that is very, irresistibly reminiscent of the song Common Nightingale, Lucinia megarincos. Thank you for watching our informative YouTube channel Canary Care Corner. Don't miss out on our latest updates and videos. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post new content. Your support means the world to us.